How do you use AI agents to write all your emails, copy and paste them while you go to sleep? In this video, I'm going to show you how. All my clients have been asking me to give them a tutorial on this, so I was like, let me create this video. Okay, step one, you need to have a Claude account. So if you don't have one, sign up. I would recommend signing up for, I would recommend signing up for the Claude Pro subscription. I think it's $20 a month. But step one after you sign up is you need to go to the Chrome web store and add the Anthropic Claude.com extension. And what will happen is it will be right here. So you'll have this little emoji where you see my cursor. And then you want to navigate to wherever you are going to set up your emails. So here I'm on Kit, and I'll include all the links in the description box below. So what you'll do, I'll start from the beginning, is you'll have this pin. So you can click the puzzle piece and pin this so that it will show up in your bookmarks bar, and then you're going to click it. So what you want is to be extremely explicit with what you want Claude to do. Remember, the more clicks that Claude has to do, the more money it's going to cost you. So what I like to do is I would just go to where I want Claude Cowork or my AI agents to start, and I want it to start writing emails for me. So I'm just going to go to the fastest place where it can start writing emails, and I'm going to type in my instructions. I'm basically going to ask it, if I turn on voice control, please write an email for me with the below format and send it out to all my email subscribers today at 7 p.m. EST. Well, and then let me stop, voice control. Okay, and then I have a couple emails that I want Claude to copy and paste. So let's start with this one. And you can get Claude to go copy and paste this, but I don't want to use up all my credits today. So I'm just going to copy and paste this into the Claude extension, and I'm going to go back to Kit. And this is what I want Claude to format. So let's say, honestly, I had like 20 emails that I want Claude to put into my email service provider. I would literally copy and paste them all here in the Chrome extension, but let's just start with one. And as you can see, yeah, my spend limit's already reached, but we'll see how far we can go. It tells you steps of what you want, of what Claude is going to do for you, and it's hands-free. So once I click approve plan, it's literally going to go click that new broadcast button for me. And what I would do is I would basically start dinner and go to sleep and leave this running. You have to leave your computer on, and you can't let it go to sleep. If your computer dies or you're out of battery, then it's going to forget what you asked it to do. It's basically, it has no memory. So if I turned off my computer right now, I could not find the prompt that I just typed in. And now what Claude is trying to do is kind of like a bumbling toddler. It's going to try to find the right place to click based on my instructions. And that's why your instructions need to be as explicit as possible. If I went back, I would probably say, hey, click the black button that says create broadcast so it could work through it faster. And now what it's doing is it just created a new email, and it's going to replace it with the subject line I asked it to replace it with, and it's going to add in the body text that I'm asking it to use. And again, this is all hands-free. I would literally just walk away and see what happened and come back later. But I can see like it's trying to figure out steps here. So you could see it's already gone through like 20 steps on its own trying to create this email for me. And another important thing is the more explicit you can be, the more money you'll save in the long run. I don't really recommend spending more than $20 a month on this until you learn how to master it yourself. Again, the more clicks that Claude has to do, the more expensive it gets. So this is just a taste of what you can do with Claude Cowork. You can also send DMs with Claude Cowork. I'll create another video on that. Let me know in the comments if you guys are interested. You can also, this is great, I'm working on this right now, is get Claude Cowork to repurpose your emails into Canva content. It's all connected. So I'll show you that in the next video. Again, let me know in the comments if you're interested in that video too.